All the following statements about ecology are correct, except ecology is the study of the interaction between biotic and abiotic aspect of the environment. Ecology is a discipline that is independent from natural selection and evolutionary history. Ecologists may study populations and communities of organisms. Ecology spans increasingly comprehensive levels of organization and from individuals to ecosystem. Ecological studies may involve the use of modules and computers. The nature's cleaners are producers, consumers, decomposers, producers and decomposers both. The development of a bare area is called invasion, nudation, ascesis, none. Which of the following is a difference between a food chain and a food web? Food chain involves only plants, while food web involves animals. Food chain involves only plants, while food web involves both plants and animals. Food chain are linear and food webs are complex. Food chain includes decomposers, but food web do not. A series of interrelated food chain in a given ecosystem is called as tropical level, food pyramid, food web, none. Pyramid of energy in any ecosystem is always upright, may be upright or inverted, always inverted, none of the above. Which one of the following areas in India is a hotspot of biodiversity? Sundarban, Western Ghat, Eastern Ghat, both A and B. Levels of biodiversity include all but one: genetic, species, population, ecosystem. Endemic species are rare species, species localized in specific region, endangered species, none of these. The most important reason for decrease in biodiversity is habitat destruction, deforestation, hunting, all of the above. Who is the author of the book Silent Spring? Robin Cook, Arthur Haley, Rachel Carson, Charles Darwin. DDT is not soluble in water, more soluble in fat than water, less soluble in fat than water, not soluble in fat. Which of the following scientists rediscovered DDT in 1939? Paul Harman Mittler, Madame Curie, Rachel Carson, Alexander Fleming. POP is persistent oxidizing pollutants, permanent organic pesticides, persistent organic pesticides, persistent organic pollutants. Who proposed the Gaia theory? Rachel Carson, James Lovelock, Charles Darwin, William Golding. The object of environmental education is to raise consciousness about environmental conditions, to teach environmentally appropriate behavior, to create an environmental ethics,
that fosters awareness about the ecological interdependence of economic, social, and political factors in a human community and the environment. All of the above. Which of the following is not influenced by human activities? Depletion of groundwater, destruction of mangroves and wetlands, increased extinction rate of species, none of the above. The Stockholm Convention on Persistent Organic Pollutants was signed in the year 1999, 1998, 2000, 2001. Which of the following statement about environment education is false? Environmental education is evolving to be education for sustainable and ethical development both at local and global levels. Environmental education will prepare the next generation to plan appropriate strategies for addressing developmental environmental issues. Environmental education does not advocate a particular viewpoint of course of action. Environmental education is essential for the younger generation only. Which of the following conceptual spheres of the environment is having the least storage capacity of matters? Atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere, or biosphere?